Hey guys, and happy Sunday. On today's video, we're going to do something different on my channel. I did a poll asking you guys, did you all want to see certain videos? So you guys wanted to see a product empty video, and I said, you know what, let's do that. Although it's the lowest percentage of all the other videos I asked you about, you guys were interested in seeing a product empty video. So I'm going to show you my pretty girl empties, my pretty girl product empties and semi empties. Now the semi empties are my products that's almost gone, and I couldn't really use them up because I already had too much of the product in my hair, but it's not enough for the next time I use it. So yeah, we're gonna do that too in this video. So this should be fun. So let's get started. Where should I start? I have a few products here. So let's start with hair grease. You guys seen this hair grease before. This is by Softy, and Softy is Signature African Shea Butter Hair and Scalp Conditioner. And I used it all up. Ooh, it still smells so good. It's nice and sweet. So yeah, that was one of my favorites. Here goes Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Hair Smoothie. Can you smell it? I used that all up. Here goes my Eucerin moisturizing cream. It's really it's really thick. I used to use this in the wintertime, but I found myself using it all year round. You can't even see it because it's gone. But anyway, I use it under my makeup too. So I have on some today. And it's really good for extra dry skin. Here goes one of my body scrubs that I really liked. I got this from ULTA, and this one is called Tree Hut. Well, the brand is called Tree Hut, and I got the, yeah, it's a Shea Sugar Scrub, and the one I have here is Amazon Peaky, and it's, ooh, it smells so good. I like this one a lot. Sugar scrubs do really good on the skin. It makes the skin vibrant and pretty and healthy looking. And I do a scrub on my body like maybe once or twice a week. I don't really scrub. I don't use the scrubs that much, but once or twice a week. And here goes my old MAC. The reason why I got this tape on here is because I have 3 MAC containers like this, and I couldn't figure out which one was which. So I'll put this on here as for to let me know this is my pressed powder. But I've had this for years, so I went on and took the pressed powder out of here and chopped it up really fine and put it with my loose pigment my loose pigment powder, because it didn't make sense to have this and I wasn't really using it. So I said, you know what, just mix it with that. So I have on some of that today. No, I don't. I'm just lying. No, I don't. I use my Sasha Buttercup today. But yep, this is MAC pressed powder in the number NW45. Here goes one of my foundations. It looked like it's still some foundation in here, but when I squeeze it, don't nothing come out. So this is by L'Oreal. It's L'Oreal True Match. I didn't really like this color too much. I used to always blend it with my other color because it was too, I don't know. I didn't like the way it looked on me. But this is cool. I can't see the, whatever it is. I can't use it no way. But it was a Illuminator type foundation. And it had light coverage. And it looked pretty, but I just didn't like, I didn't like it no way. I didn't like the color. So here goes my VO5 Silky Experiences Moisturizing Conditioner. It's Island Coconut. This used to dry my hair out. I don't know, it just felt like it was drying my hair out. I said, well, you're using coconut oil, so maybe that's why that felt like that. But I used this the other day. I used the rest of it up. I have another bottle of this, and once I use the other bottle, I probably won't get it up again. I don't know. But I used that with this product, and I'll show you guys this in a minute. And my hair felt really good. So I don't know. Sometimes we just don't know what we be doing when we be using hair products. Sometimes they don't mesh well with other products, and sometimes they do. So now that we're finished with those products, the empties. Let's go to the semi-empties. First thing I want to talk to you guys about is my favorite everyday lip cream. It's almost empty. I got a picture I'll show on the screen of how it looks. But this is the color. It's a pretty red. I get compliments on it all the time. This is by, oh, I still got the tag on here, Milani number 22, and it's called Amore. Yeah, Amore. It's called Amore. It does flake and it does dry down so dry and matte, but I'll always put a lip gloss on top of it and make it more shiny and more not so dry. But it does flake up after a few hours. But I used to wear it anyway, so. But once I get through with this, don't know if I'll be buying it again. Who knows? Here goes another Blue Magic product. Not another. So here goes a Blue Magic product. It's Argan Oil, Vitamin E, leave-in conditioner. It's one of my favorites. Now what's the difference between this one and my other one? Well, this one has vitamin E in it, and the other one was a complex, something like that. I don't know. Don't get me lying, y'all. It is really soupy. Soupy. It's like melted ice cream. That's what it looks like. Ooh, I don't want to waste it. But I like this too. And I used this leave-in conditioner after applying this. So my hair felt great when I French braided my hair after I shampooed it and stuff. So my hair, my scalp and hair and stuff looks really good under this wig. I got like 7 French braids going to the back. Now these two together, after I rinse this out and use this, that really works for my hair. Last but not least, here goes the As I Am Coconut Wash, Co-Wash. I like this product, but I still got a little bit left. I used this last week too, and I used this first as my co-wash, and then I followed it up with this rinse out conditioner, and then I braided my hair up with this leave-in conditioner and some other Blue Magic hair grease. And I like this product, but I probably won't get any more because I have a great big jar of co-wash that I usually use, and I don't really need this. I bought this for an experiment to see if I like it. So yeah, all right guys, that is it as far as the Pretty Girl products that are empty and semi-empty. But I want to give you guys, I want to give a funeral to the Gray family. Yes, the Gray family was found dead. You say, well, Nezi, what is the Gray family? Well, about a month or so ago, I went through my hair and I pulled out all the gray. Ooh. Yeah, look at all this gray hair. You guys say, well, Nezi, you don't have gray hair. Oh, yes, I do. Here it is, right here. So this is about 7, maybe 5 to 7 strands of hair. Nezi's gonna grow back thicker. Nezi's gonna grow back. Yeah, you can't fight gray hair. You ain't gonna win with gray hair. But as long as I can take it out of my head, I'm taking them out. There's no need for the Gray family to be here any longer. Bye, Gray family. Look at that. So it's gray. It's gray on the ends and sort of brown at the roots, and then it's black. No need to keep that. So that's one of my empty products. The Gray family was an empty product. Alright guys, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this video. Thumbs it up if you did like it. Something new and different to my channel. And if I get some more empties in the future, I'll keep them too. And show them to you.